Are you prepared to uncover a straightforward and productive approach to earn money online? In 2024, brace yourself because I'm about to reveal a strategy that lets you earn more than $200 per day by simply typing on Google Translate. Picture yourself making a significant income just from typing on a widely used translation platform. I'll walk you through the procedure in this video, offering tips on where to spot these opportunities and how to boost your profits. Let's get started right away. We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills, and we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits. So feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below to begin. We will utilize the freely accessible tool Who Will Translate. This tool can assist in generating income online. It's simple to use. Select the origin language and then the target language. For instance, to translate a word from English to French, input the word, and it will be translated immediately. I'll show you how to use this tool to earn money at a rate of $1 per minute. The second step involves visiting the website cpag.gp.com, a premier CPA network. To create an account, click on Register. It's important to note that a Skype ID is needed for this, which can be obtained for free on Skype's official website. Ensure you agree to their terms and conditions, specifically the clauses that prohibit you from completing offers yourself or using proxies, VPNs, or bot software to complete leads. After logging in, the dashboard, which displays earnings from CPA Grip users worldwide, will be visible. This indicates the site's global accessibility, allowing you to generate income from any location. Stick around for a comprehensive guide on setting up these systems to earn $215 daily in passive income. Next, select the Offer Tools option on the left side of the screen and choose My Offers. The website will automatically show the offers available in your country based on your current location. For example, in the United States, you can earn at least 40 cents per lead, with the potential to earn up to $3 per lead with substantial traffic. This method holds great income potential. However, how will introduce you to often overlooked, highly profitable offers that could multiply your earnings. These high-paying offers can be found by targeting countries such as Spain. Here, the payout can reach up to $19, significantly higher than the $3 offers in the United States. This is due to fewer people utilizing these countries for income generation, leading companies to provide more enticing offers. So, exploring offers in countries like Australia, Switzerland, Brazil, Mexico, and others could reveal the most lucrative opportunities. For this guide, we'll focus on Spain because of its high-paying offers and Spanish-speaking population. We use Google Translate to effectively promote Spanish offers on the CPA Grip website. Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified in our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video. The third step in our process involves obtaining an affiliate link for our offers that are applicable in Spain. First, choose Spain and its associated countries from the options available. Following this, click on the payout button to reveal the most profitable offers specifically for the Spanish region. You will now be able to view the highest offers for Spain, all of which are displayed in Spanish. Choose the offer that best suits your needs to earn a significant income to maximize your profits. I recommend opting for the $19 offer. Let's understand this offer in more detail. As most of us are not fluent in Spanish, we can use Google Translate to convert the offer into English. Simply copy the offer's headline, go to Google Translate, select the Spanish language and paste the headline into the designated space. Google will instantly translate the headline into English. For example, the headline may state, "Access movies." Repeat this process for the subheading, which once translated might read, "Enter your information." Now, to get started by promoting this offer, we'll earn $19. each time someone visits the offer website via our affiliate link and signs up before you begin promoting the offer, choose a tracking domain, preferably a new one, to avoid potential bans. You can then copy your affiliate link by clicking the Copy Link button. In the fourth step, we're going to look at a website called shrinkearn.com that pays you without having to generate leads for CPA offers or sell anything on this website. You earn money each time someone clicks on your link, for instance. For 1,000 views from Greenland, you could earn $20. Simply go to shrinkear.com and create a new account. Once you're logged in, your dashboard will look like this. Click on New Shorten Link and a box will appear where you can paste your CPA affiliate link and shorten it. After clicking the Shorten button, a unique link will be generated for you to promote your CPA offer. Every time someone visits the offer through this link, you'll earn a certain amount, and if they sign up for free, you'll earn an additional $19. Copy your shortened link from the provided icon, but hold off on promoting it just yet as we need to make a few more adjustments. For the fifth step, navigate to sites.google.com. This free service from Google allows you to create your website at no cost. First, delete the header from the site, then select the text option on the right side. Copy the headline of your CPA offer from cpagp.com and paste it into the text box. Customize the size and color and make it bold to enhance its visual appeal. Next, go back to the CPA grip offer. Right. Click on the displayed image and save it to your device. Go back to Google Sites, select the image option and upload the image you just downloaded from CPAG grip. Send her the image on your website. Next, go back to Google, translate and type in "click here" to get free access to movies. To get the Spanish translation, copy the translated text and go back to Google Sites. Click on button on the right side. Paste the translated text into the button name field for the link. Go back to Shrink Earn and copy of your shortened link. Paste this link into the button link box and click Insert. Adjust the button above the uploaded image. Also duplicate your button and place the second button below the image. Once your Google website is ready, click on the Publish button in the top right corner. Give your website a unique name and click Publish Copy. The link of your Google website for the sixth step. Go to pearltrees.com. Pearltrees is a social media website with over 3 million monthly visitors. Create an account on Pearltrees and log in. Click on a plus icon and select the web page option. Paste the link of your Google website and click Add. Your website page has now been added to Pearltrees. When someone visits this site, they'll see that they can access movies for free and are likely to visit your website. Each time they sign up for the offer, you'll earn $19 in passive income, which includes payments from both CPA Grip and shrinkearn.com. This way, you can earn up to $215 a day using Google Translate. And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to be updated with our new videos once again. This is CashProo. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.